pathetic feather was all I grew. I had nothing show-off-ish, what's a plain bird to do? And there's certainly nothing show-offish on you.